Hi, my name is Dr. Clay Cockerell. I'm a dermatologist and dermatopathologist in Dallas. Many of you probably know who I am. And I want to tell you about an exciting symposium that we're having coming up on April the 6th. It's called the Hone PA+NP Symposium. Why hone? Because we're trying to get you to hone your diagnostic and clinical skills in the symposium. And it's designed for nurse practitioners and PAs, extenders, but we're actually allowing residents to come and MAs and even occasional, might allow a few doctors into the room if they really want to kind of hone their skills too. So we really have a lot of interesting topics, a lot about dermatopathology, but a lot of clinical dermatology, some genetic information about malignant melanoma and skin pigmented lesions. And this year we're having a very innovative hands-on biopsy technique workshop. Dr. David Hensley, a prominent dermatologist, good friend of mine, is going to be conducting that with my assistants. It is accredited for CE accreditation for 8 hours. We do have a website that you can go to. It's going to be on this video that talks about the information of where to register. And we really hope you're going to come to the meeting this year. We'll also have a little bit of refreshments at the end of the session with some wine tasting. So we're going to teach you a lot about dermatopathology, dermatology, and some fun stuff too. Hope to see you there.